Good morning, class. How have you been?
We are doing fine.
So yesterday in my lesson we did HTML, and I wanted to discuss the difference between what we did with your neighbor and what you have seen other websites look like. Okay. So. So, how are you liking the web development class? Is it what you expected? So, wamekwambia nini? What is the difference between what you made and kenye iko kwa website zingine? Nibako wamekwambia? Today we're going to learn about something called CSS. Have you ever heard of CSS?
Yes.
So, what is CSS?
Cascading style sheet.
Yes. Cascading?
Style sheet.
And what is that? Have you ever had something like that? You have said it's cascading?
Style sheet.
What is that? What is it used for? So, cascading style sheet, it is used for formatting and styling the interface. What you see, now the difference between what we made yesterday and what is in the internet, how it looks, is the styling, okay?
Yes.
So you can write on your books. Cascading style sheet is used for formatting and styling. Does anybody understand what I mean by saying interface? So styling the user interface. So we have another new one, which is user interface. Remember how user interface is here? Kevin, this is the user interface. Give it a try.
It's like a web page.
It is what you see when you open the website, okay? Yeah, what you interact with, like when you go to your student portals, whatever you see, that is the interface. And some are interactive, that will be done in the next lesson comment. But right now we're going to understand what is the difference between what we made. Why is ours not colorful? Why is the one from the internet so interactive, colorful, it has styles, it has images, okay? So that is the work of cascading style sheet. It is used to design, it's like add color, okay, to the interface. So the next definition we are going to learn today is how to integrate CSS. Integrate CSS into HTML. So we have different ways. I want you to think, and then you pair, and then you share what you know about integrating CSS into HTML. I understand you have ever had it before. So share with your neighbor. You can write it down. I hope you are discussing. Yes. What has your neighbor told you? Yes.
My neighbor has told me that there are different ways of integrating CSS to HTML. The first one is inline.
Inline. Okay, that is very good. We have inline CSS. We have inline integration. Okay. The next one is yes.
Internal.
Internal CSS. And the other one?
External.
We have external. We have external CSS. So these are different ways where you can work or use the CSS and use it together with the HTML, and then you will see the new user interface. Okay. So the first one, I'm going to just give a brief description. Inline CSS, it is why we use the CSS as an attribute. We have an example of a tag. We know what a tag is in HTML, isn't it? So you have a tag P. So you're going to use style as an attribute is equals to font size. You want your paragraphs to appear larger. So the font size is going to be like 20 pixels. Okay? And then this is the syntax for, then you write, then you close your tab. After writing, you close your tab. Okay? Okay. So that is one way. So the other way is inline, internal. Am I correct?
Yes, internal CSS.
Internal CSS. So in internal CSS, you will have to create a tag for style in the header section. We know where the header section is.
Yes.
And then you want to style the paragraph. And then you open. And then you want it to have a background color of red. Okay? You close. And then you close like that. Have you understood?
Yes.
And then you remember to always close a tag. Every tag that is open, a style tag that is open should always be closed. So the next one, the last time I said is we have talked about external CSS, right?
Yes.
External CSS. So this one, I want you to write down this assignment. Use external CSS. Use external CSS to create a red colored background of a page. And the font size should be 40 pixels for the text in your paragraphs. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the end of our lesson. Is there any question?
No.
Yeah, this is a very simple fact. And I hope you're going to keep on practicing, okay? Sawa sawa. Thank you. That's the end of our session.